I will be showing you how to make a delicious and creamy taro with coconut cream dish. So to start, peel and dice the taro into bite-sized pieces. The taro is such a root vegetable that is commonly used in Pacific Islands, where our country Samoa, when you pair with rich and creamy coconut. Then bring a pot of water to boil and add the taro pieces, and then cook until the taro is tender, about 15 to 20 minutes. So in a separate saucepan, heat up the coconut cream until it's warm and creamy. Then add your onions, so it's up to you. And then you add it into the taro. And let the taro and coconut cream simmer for a few minutes to allow the flavors to melt and together. Then serve hot and enjoy the rich and satisfying combination of